Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today I'm going to do my update for the Partners in Cream Project Pan with the, I was going to say Fantastic Ladies. It is not a Fantastic Ladies collab, but it is with like 100 different people here on YouTube and on Instagram. So if I can find any links to link everybody, I will do my best to do that. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about the products really quickly and tell you guys what I think about them and if I feel like switching them out, because there are a few that I definitely feel like switching out. So let's go on. Okay, so I do have the foundation that has been the only foundation I have been wearing. I basically have not been wearing any makeup to work because of the whole COVID crisis, and I have to keep my face and hair and everything covered at all times. So the foundation that I have is the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Fresh Complexion Foundation in the shade 115. I really do enjoy this foundation. It is the foundation that I'm wearing today on my skin. It is a little bit more full coverage than I typically like, and I do really enjoy it, but I don't know. It's okay. I probably wouldn't repurchase, but I have used this 13 times since I put it into the project, so I'm really happy about that, and I am going to keep this in the project. I have probably like a full 30 days left to use this, but I don't wear my makeup every day, so we'll see how much longer this goes for. And I have the e.l.f. Illuminating Primer, which the lid is really gross, so I'm going to take it off of there. So this is what it looks like. It is very like yellow, shimmery, sparkly on the skin, but you know, wearing it underneath the foundation, I don't think the yellowy shows up at all. It just kind of gives my skin a really fresh, healthy look. It is not my favorite primer, but I have used this 8 times since I put it in the project, and I have been pairing it with a very, very hydrating primer. Right now, I am using the Hangover RX from Too Faced, and this is just like a little sample that I've been using to kind of combat the dryness of this because it is quite dry. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this off still, and I think that I can get it done pretty quickly here. We have moved it quite a bit, so excited about that. Okay, you guys, and then I put in a setting spray the last time. This is the MAC Fix Plus original one. The packaging is starting to turn a little bit yellow, which is why I wanted to use this up. I have used it 7 times now since I put it in the project, and as you can see, we have a little bit of progress going. Not very much, but I mean, I think I'm doing pretty good with it. I don't love it as much as I thought I did, or as much as I used to. It is very, very wet on the skin, which I actually kind of appreciate because I have really dry skin. So it's okay though. It doesn't really hold my makeup all day long if I want to wear my makeup to work. I use the Urban Decay All Nighter, but this one just for filming or just for kind of having a night out or whatever is really nice. Obviously that's not happening right now, but filming purposes and just wearing makeup in general is just fun. And yeah. 7 times, I think that's pretty good. I still want to finish this in this project. Then I have my concealer. This is the only concealer I've been wearing every single day. And now that I have it up in the light, there is like nothing in here, which tells me why it was feeling so dry on my skin when I used it today. There is like literally nothing going on in here. I do think I'm going to take out the stopper and try to get the rest of it. This is in the shade Light Neutral. It is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I got this from a girlfriend, so it was quite used before I got it, which is fine. And I have used it 14 times since this project started. So that tells you I probably wore my makeup between 14 and 18 times. Because I don't always wear concealer. I don't always feel like I need it, so I don't use it when I don't need it. There's that, but this will probably be an empty in the next update. Okay, a product that I haven't really touched is the Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Diamond Dust. It is just like this little sample guy, but I will probably put it in my eyes today after I'm done filming. I like to kind of switch up my look a tiny bit by putting a little bit of glitter on there. It makes it kind of fun and a little bit different and interesting for like different videos. So I've only used this a total of 2 times previously, and then I'll probably use it today, so 3 times total, which is not a lot, but this was used quite a bit before this project, so I do want to finish this as well. Then I have a ColourPop Super Shock shadow. I am going to be rotating these out every time I hit pan. This is in the shade Fringe, and I have used this 8 times, which I think is a really fair amount. I don't use a lot when I use it, and I really, really enjoy it when I do. I'm not pressing super hard. I'm just kind of swirling my hand around, getting what I need, and then going from there. So I don't like to be wasteful with my makeup at all, ever. I like things to last as long as they should. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep using that one and keep enjoying it. I have been using it like all over the lid for work because I can't really do much with my makeup. I can really only do my eyes. So I have been enjoying it like that, and I will just continue enjoying it. Another thing I have been quite enjoying is the Balm's Mary Duminizer. It is just like this little liquid. Sometimes when I just feel like a little bit of highlight and a little bit of mascara, this is the highlight I've been reaching for. It looks super natural and beautiful on the skin. It has just kind of like a wet look on it. And when I do like a full face like this, I do put this on as my liquid highlighter, as well as I put a highlighter on top, so it kind of gives that extra dimension. I don't know, I feel like it looks good when I do that. So you guys can see that there are quite a few little windows going on in here. And I do think I could finish this by the end of the year. There isn't a whole ton of product in here, but there is still quite a bit, but I'm just gonna keep trucking through this. And I have used this highlighter 15 times total. Okay, a product that I am going to switch out of my collection just because I feel like if I need a liquid bronzer, I can just reach for this anytime. This is actually like a cream bronzer, but it is from treStique. It is the Color and Contour Cheek Stick in the shade Brazilian Bronze. It does have a little brush, which I found out I hate, so I won't be using that. But there is the product here. I have flattened it out quite a bit from my usage, and it really doesn't take much to use like on your face. I only do a tiny little bit on both cheeks and a tiny little bit on both forehead, or both forehead sides, whatever, on my single forehead, but both sides. And I am enjoying it, but I don't want it in this project anymore. I don't want to keep tracking how many uses I've had on this just because I don't feel like that's necessary. I don't want to use it every single day. So there is that, and I have used this a total of 13 times. Okay, I'm only going to add in one item this round, and that's because I have so many others. I haven't finished up or met goal on really anything yet. So I want to add in a little teeny tiny baby size of a liquid lipstick, and it is the liquid lipstick I'm wearing today. It is the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Stepping Out, one of my absolute favorite formulas and shades for liquid lipstick. And I have a ton of these, and when doing my inventory I decided that I really need to start using some of them. So I'm going to start with these like little mini guys and go from there. The full size does dry out, but I want to be consistent when I use the full size, so I think I'm going to wait till fall for that. But gosh, I love this color. I think it looks so good with my skin and basically any eye look I could do. And I'm really just enjoying it. So this is what we have to start. I am going to put one use on there for today, and I am wearing it on top of a very pink colored lipstick just to kind of lighten it a little bit. It is like that browner shade, so love this one. Perfect shade for me, and I'm going to add this one in to this project. Okay guys, so that was everything for this Partners in Cream Project Pan update. I think everybody's updating on the 10th of the month. Obviously I have been behind since the beginning, and I'm probably gonna stay behind because that's how life goes. But anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.